Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gulab Common Studies, and today we will solve some numericals of class 9 physics chapter 2 force and law of motion chapter. So let's start with our first question, that is a cricket ball of mass 100 gram moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second is brought to rest by a player, then find the change in momentum of the ball. In this question, some data of a cricket ball is given to us and we have to find the change in momentum of the ball. Answer. Firstly, we will write the given data, that is mass of the ball, it is 100 gram, and then initial velocity, it is 30 meter per second. Final velocity is 0 meter per second. Now we will apply the formula m bracket v minus u to solve. It is m, it is initial velocity u, it is final velocity v. So put the values. 100, we will write 100 by 1000 because we have to write things in SI unit, and its a mass SI unit is kg. 100 gram is 100 by 1000 kg. Okay, so final velocity is 0 minus 30, 100 by 1000 multiplied by minus 30, 0 0 cancel, it was 1000, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 0 0, minus 3 kg meter per second. Therefore, the change in momentum of the ball is minus 3 kg meter per second. Question number 2. A body of mass 30 into 10 to power minus 3 kg, when acted upon by a force for 5 seconds, attains a velocity of 100 meter per second. If the same force is applied for 2 minutes on a body of mass 10 kg at rest, what will be its final velocity? In this question, a body is given with its mass and it is said that a force is applied on it for 5 seconds, and after that force is applied it attains a velocity of 100 meter per second, and applying that same force for 2 minutes on the second body of mass 10 kg at rest, we have to find final velocity of that body. So body 1, we will find its force, that is m bracket v minus u upon t. M is equal to mass 30 into 10 to power minus 3, final velocity 100 meter per second, and initial velocity 0 upon time t 5 seconds. F is equal to 30 into 10 to power minus 3 means 30 by 1000 into 100 upon 5, cancelling, and F will become 3 by 5 Newton, and we will apply this 3 by 5 Newton force on the body 2, that is F 3 by 5 is equal to m v minus u by t 10. Final velocity we don't know, that we have to find, and initial velocity is 0 because it was at rest upon time t 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 seconds in SI units. We will cross multiply it. 50v is equal to 360 and v is equal to 360 upon 50. Therefore v is equal to 7.2 meter per second. Answer is 7.2 meter per second. The final velocity of the body 2 is 7.2 meter per second. Question number 4. A boy of mass 50 kg running at 5 meters per second jumps onto a 20 kg trolley traveling in the same direction at 1.5 meters per second. What is their common velocity? In this question, here also we will apply the law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum, that is m1u1 plus m2u2 is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. Here also we have to find the common velocity of boy and trolley. Mass of boy is given and mass